MLA Mawryngkneng ba HS Kharpran hakasing baar ula Wanrah daka call attention habayade berkajingja jung we Rangbah naka yingsa na soran kha maukenro na du kashi tarik nai wing hajar pusau. Habaju ba balor kani usembut Menteri Rangbah Khuborjylla ba prestun tensong ula pentip bagi pulit hadirin balayo kajing tip kila penlong kajing wa di uti Rangbah keleng wat shadu shabar jelaru henry hadu menta 4 lap satya.
The question hour is over. Now we come to item number 2. There is a call attention notice laid by Sri Livingstone Kharpran, MLA, to call the attention of the Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home, Police, under Rule 54(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Mawryngkneng, dated 12 November 2024, under the caption Jar Ngai Uba Kastarbok Kharbuli na Iing sa ha Songkan Sorenkham Maukenro. Sri Livingstone Kharpran, MLA, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I rise today to call the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Department, according to 54(1) of the Rules of the Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, to bring the attention of this August House on a matter of significant importance concerning the newspaper report published in local newspaper Mawryngkneng on the 12th November 2024, which stated Jarngai Uba Kastarbok Kharbuli na Yingsta na Sorenkham. So Mr. Kastarbok Kharbuli is the resident of Sorenkham, age 45. He has been missing since 1st November 2024 at around 8:30 morning. So he is 5 feet tall, dark complexion, and mentally unstable, tracksuit with white slippers. The Superintendent of Police that time, Shri S. Tongtinger, has circulated the news through media outlets to trace about his whereabouts. So, and also he has given the number in the control room and also to report to the in charge of Sorenkham police outpost. So, despite a passage of several months, 4 months more, still there is no information on his whereabouts. This has caused immense distress and worry to his family and also the entire village community. Sir, this prolonged disappearance raises serious concerns about the public safety and also the efficiency of the investigative mechanism. This lack of progress in this case, sir, has added the suffering to his family and also creates fear among the people. Sir, I would like to make some submission to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to take immediate and decisive actions by ensuring intensified and high priority investigation into the case by involving specialized team. So far, sir, there's no information about his whereabouts. This is not the only case. So many cases of missing person are there, but the government has failed to trace the missing person. Number 2, sir, I request the government to deploy modern tracking and surveillance measures to trace any possible leads. Sir. Number 3, I request the government to involve committee participation by offering incentive or reward for the information. Lastly, sir, I would like to request the government that they should not leave this case unsolved, but try to provide the periodic updates to the family. Sir, for this case, I want justice, and it is the duty and responsibility of the government to protect the citizen, and this should not be left unsolved, sir. So I sincerely request the Deputy Chief Minister to take the matter seriously and to locate Mr. Kharbuli and bring some hope to the family. Thank you, sir. Sumit.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House, Sri Havingstone Kharpran MLA Mawryngkneng constituency, for tabling this calling attention motion under Rule 51(1) of the Procedure and Conduct of Business under the caption Jangai Ubak Kasta Bok Kharbuli na Iing sa Hasorang Kham Mokumro. Sir, on the 3rd November 2024, Shri Kro Lester Kharbuli lodged a missing person report stating that his brother Shri Kasta Bok Kharbuli, aged 45 years, son of late T. Kharpran, a resident of Sorang Kham, Lulong, Mawryngkneng, East Khasinews district, Meghalaya, and a mentally challenged individual had been missing from his residence since 8:30 a.m. on 1st November 2024. Sir, upon receiving the missing report on 3rd November 2024, the police at Sorang Kham outpost immediately launched an inquiry and search operation. A preliminary investigation was conducted and an alert message was issued to all officers in charge and in charges of police stations, outposts and beat houses across Meghalaya and Assam to trace and detain the missing person if found. Sir, a hue and cry notice was issued on 11 November 2024 and the Special Superintendent of Police CID Meghalaya also circulated a lookout notice to the Director General of Police of all states, Commissioners of Police, New Delhi and Chandigarh, Inspectors Generals of Police of Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Ladakh and Superintendent of Police in all districts of Meghalaya. Sir, despite all these efforts, Sri Kasta Bok Kharbuli has not yet been located and the case is still under active inquiry. Efforts are being actively initiated to locate the missing individual with coordinated search and investigation operations. Sir, search and rescue teams are working together to cover all possible locations where the person may be found and are following up on any potential leads that may assist in determining the whereabouts of Sri Kasta Bok Kharbuli. Sir, the issues raised by the honourable member from Mawryngkneng constituency, we from the police department leave no stone unturned to make sure that the missing person is located at the earliest possible, and we will not sleep at all till the clarity is found. So, sir, with these few words, I once again take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House for bringing the calling attention notice under Rule 54(1). Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sri Havingstone Kharpran, you may seek one clarification. Please.
Thank you, Deputy Chief Minister, sir, for the reply. And just one request, if possible, sir, the search should be continued even today.